Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. If you don't like taking risks but still want to build wealth, then you need to understand the power of compounding. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights on achieving financial success. Warren Buffett is one of the wealthiest people on the planet. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, he has amassed a fortune that places him among the richest individuals globally. But his wealth isn't just a result of luck or inheritance, it's the product of a lifetime of smart investing and strategic decisions. He's also a legendary investor. Buffett's investment strategies and philosophies have been studied and emulated by countless investors around the world. His ability to pick winning stocks and make sound financial decisions has earned him a reputation as one of the greatest investors of all time. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, owns big names like Geico and Dairy Queen. Under his leadership, Berkshire Hathaway has grown from a struggling textile company into a massive conglomerate with diverse holdings in various industries. This transformation is a testament to Buffett's vision and business acumen. Buffett's success? It all boils down to one powerful concept: compounding. Compounding is the process where the value of an investment increases because the earnings on an investment, both capital gains and interest, earn interest as time passes. This principle is the cornerstone of Buffett's investment strategy. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger and bigger over time. Just as a small snowball can grow into a massive one as it rolls down a hill, a small investment can grow into a substantial fortune if given enough time and the right conditions. That's the magic of compounding. By reinvesting earnings and allowing them to generate their own earnings, an investor can achieve exponential growth. This is why Buffett emphasizes the importance of long-term investing and patience. Buffett's journey teaches us valuable lessons about patience and long-term thinking. He often advises investors to buy quality stocks and hold on to them for the long haul, rather than trying to time the market or make quick profits. This approach has proven to be incredibly effective for him. He didn't get rich overnight. Buffett started investing at a young age and gradually built his wealth over many years. His early investments were modest, but he consistently reinvested his earnings and allowed them to grow. He built his wealth steadily over decades using the power of compounding to his advantage. By staying disciplined and focused on his long-term goals, Buffett was able to turn small investments into a vast fortune. His story is a powerful reminder that with patience, discipline, and a sound investment strategy, anyone can achieve financial success. Compounding is like earning interest on your interest. Imagine you invest $100 and it earns 10% interest in a year. You now have $110. The next year, you earn interest on the $110, not just the original $100. This snowball effect is what makes compounding so powerful. The longer your money compounds, the faster it grows. It's like magic, but it's just math. When it comes to compounding, time is your best friend. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can lead to significant wealth. Don't let procrastination steal your financial future. Start investing today, no matter how small the amount. Let's meet Alex and Bill. Alex starts investing $1,000 per year at age 25. Bill starts investing $2,000 per year at age 35. Assuming a 7% annual return, who do you think will have more money at age 65? You guessed it, Alex. Even though Bill invests double the amount, Alex comes out ahead because he started early. This highlights the incredible power of compounding over time. Planting seeds, lump sum versus recurring investments. There are two main ways to invest: lump sum and recurring investments. Lump sum is like planting a big tree. You invest a large amount all at once. Recurring investments are like planting seeds. You invest smaller amounts regularly. Both approaches have their merits. Lump sum investing can lead to faster growth if the market performs well. Recurring investments help to average out the ups and downs of the market. Where to grow your money assets that thrive on compounding? Not all assets are created equal when it comes to compounding. Stocks, over the long haul, have historically provided the best returns. Mutual funds offer diversification and professional management. Real estate can generate rental income and appreciate in value. Bonds offer more stability but typically lower returns. It's important to choose investments that align with your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. Putting compounding to work, practical applications. In this section, we will explore how the power of compounding can be harnessed in various aspects of your financial life. Whether you're looking to grow your investments, pay down debt, or save for the future, understanding and applying the principles of compounding can make a significant difference. Compounding isn't just about investing in the stock market. While it's true that investing in stocks can yield substantial returns over time, there are many other ways to leverage compounding to your benefit. For instance, diversifying your investment portfolio can help mitigate risks and enhance returns. By spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, you can take advantage of the compounding effect in multiple areas. You can use it to your advantage in other areas of your financial life. Budgeting and careful financial planning are essential components of maximizing the benefits of compounding. By creating a detailed budget and sticking to it, you can ensure that you have enough funds to invest regularly, which is crucial for compounding to work effectively. Additionally, involving your family in financial planning can help everyone understand the importance of saving and investing for the future. Paying down debt, for example, is a form of reverse compounding. When you carry high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, the interest compounds against you, increasing the amount you owe over time. By prioritizing debt repayment, you can reduce the principal amount faster, thereby decreasing the total interest paid. This is especially important for high-interest debts, where the compounding effect can be particularly detrimental. The faster you pay down debt, the less interest you pay over time. This not only saves you money but also frees up more of your income for other financial goals, such as investing or saving for retirement. Celebrating milestones along the way, such as paying off a significant portion of your debt, can keep you motivated and focused on your financial journey. Retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs offer tax advantages that supercharge your compounding potential. Contributions to these accounts are often tax deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the money until you withdraw it in retirement. This allows your investments to grow more quickly than they would in a taxable account. Additionally, many employers offer matching contributions to 401(k) plans, which can significantly boost your retirement savings. Even a simple savings account, while offering low returns, allows your money to grow slowly and steadily over time. Regularly depositing money into a savings account can help you build an emergency fund, which is essential for financial security. The interest earned on a savings account, though modest, compounds over time, gradually increasing your balance. This can provide a financial cushion in times of need and help you avoid taking on high-interest debt in emergencies. Mastering the art of compounding strategies for success. 1. Start early. Time is your greatest ally. The earlier you start, the better. 2. Stay consistent. Make investing a habit, even with small amounts. 3. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 4. Avoid risky behaviors. Don't try to get rich quick. Slow and steady wins the race. Compounding is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay disciplined, and let time work its magic. The compounding mindset, a pathway to financial freedom. Compounding isn't just a financial concept, it's a mindset. It's the idea that small, consistent actions taken over time can lead to significant results. When you think about compounding, you might immediately think of interest on savings or investments, but it goes beyond that. It's about the cumulative effect of your daily habits and decisions. It's about making small, consistent decisions today that will pay off big time in the future. Imagine planting a seed and nurturing it every day. Over time, that seed grows into a strong, flourishing tree. Similarly, your financial decisions, no matter how small, can grow into substantial wealth if you remain consistent and patient. It's about delaying gratification and playing the long game. In a world where instant gratification is the norm, the compounding mindset teaches us the value of patience and strategic planning. Just like a marathon runner who paces themselves to reach the finish line, or a chess player who thinks several moves ahead, you need to plan your financial moves with the future in mind. Embrace the power of compounding, and watch your financial future blossom. The beauty of compounding is that it works quietly in the background, gradually building momentum. Over time, the small steps you take today will lead to exponential growth, much like a garden that blooms with vibrant flowers after months of careful tending. Remember, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself and your financial education. Knowledge is power, and the more you understand about financial principles, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Attend seminars, read books, and continuously educate yourself about the world of finance. Start today and let the magic of compounding work wonders for your financial well-being. The earlier you start, the more time you give your investments to grow. Set your alarm clock to remind you that every day is an opportunity to make a positive financial decision. Begin a savings plan, invest wisely, and watch as your financial health improves over time. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint, and with the compounding mindset, you're well on your way to achieving your goals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Entrepreneurial Edge, for more insightful content. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information to help you on your journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.